Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete a Locket's picture. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Locket's widget account, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is how or where exactly can you get Locket's widget? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you will use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar type Locket's widget and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now after installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Locket widget. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to delete a Locket picture. Let's say you have sent 1,001 pictures and you want to delete the pictures. Here is how you can delete a Locket picture. From this home screen, you're going to find history under your screen, at the bottom of your screen. So go ahead and click on history. So once you click on history, it takes you here and it says no photo sent yet. So if you have sent photos and you click on history, right here at the bottom of your screen, you're going to see an option for you to share and to delete. So click on history and you're going to find the share icon. So head over to share. So click on the share icon, and once you click on the share icon, you're going to see share and you're going to see delete. So go ahead and click on delete. History, if you have pictures here, you're going to see the share icon. Click on the share icon. Then it's going to take you to another window where you have share and delete at the bottom corner of your screen. So click on delete. And once you click on delete, your pictures will be deleted. So that's it. Head over to history. Click on the share icon. And then you're going to see share and delete. Click on delete and your Locket pictures will be deleted. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.